Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Aliyah and I am currently studying BSc Agriculture at Agriculture and Forestry University, Rampur Chitwan. Today I am here to talk about climate change and agriculture. Well, climate change and agriculture are interrelated processes, both of which take place on a global scale. Let me make it clear that the climate change affects farming in a number of ways, indulging to the changes in the average temperature, rainfall, and climate extremes such as the heat waves, changes in the pest and disease, changes in the atmospheric carbon dioxide, changes in the ground level ozone concentration, and even sometimes changes in the nutritional quality of some foods. Do you have any idea how much agriculture is vulnerable to climate change? Talking about this, the higher temperature eventually reduces the yield of the desirable crops while encouraging the weed growth and pest proliferation. Pesticide management also becomes less effective, meaning that the higher level of the pesticide will be required to achieve the same level of control. Similarly, the heat waves can cause the heat stress in the crops, which may limit the yield and also result in the wilting of the plants that causes the yield loss if not counteracted by the irrigation. Likewise, the heavy rains that often result in the flooding, they may also be detrimental to the crops and to the soil structure. Climate change also brings land degradation, causing the enhanced desertification and also the nutrient deficiencies in the soil. So, the overall impact of climate change on agriculture is expected to be negative, threatening the global food security. Whereas, on the other hand, agriculture contributes to the climate change by the anthropogenic emissions of the greenhouse gases, conversion of the non-farmland, that is forest, into the farmland, and also by increasing the amount of the carbon dioxide concentration by deforestation for the development and agriculture. Do you know that animal agriculture makes 40% greater contribution in the global warming than that of all the transportation combined in the world? In this way, agriculture and climate change are interlinked with one another. Therefore, climate change is one of the most defining concerns of today's world. So, we should prepare ourselves for the upcoming challenges so as to combat the impacts of climate change and ensure the food security not only for humans but for other living beings as well.